I just got back from the gym, and then I received the call that broke my heart. Let me play something for you guys.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin tí ẹ̀ ń wò nínú fídíò yìí, èyí tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Nkechi Blessing, òun mà ló ti ké pàjáwìrì síta lórí nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ṣe fún òun ní ibiṣẹ́ tí òun ṣe. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká wá nǹkan fìdílé kí a gbọ́ nǹkan tí Nkechi Blessing sọ o.
The funeral that you were sharing, whatever. That was she saying you were.
Oh, because I was sharing dildo was why she does not like me, and she had to stop somebody.
And I was like, what the hell? What does that got to do with the video that you want to promote my business? I'm telling you, this happened real. She told me not to, and I said no, and I did it. And I posted your video. I ran a sponsored ad for your video. Just one day, they brought down my page. Just running that video on sponsored ad, they brought down my page. But just the little time that your video was online, I sold. My biggest customers right today, they saw me on your page. But
what did I do to these people? For years, I said I was not going to cry making this video, but it's okay. It is enough. Before everybody started this influencing thing, I've been doing adverts for brands, and trust me when I say this, I have this fan base that whatever I post, they tend to always engage. Don't worry, some of these people might not come out to say it, but I have made brands. One post sometimes, even though sometimes one post might not do it, but if you engage me for a longer time, I believe you will see the result of whatever it is that you bring for me to promote for you. But then there is you somewhere always discouraging people to work with me for whatsoever reason. I have not offended you before. I'm not sure I have. On this internet, I'm not sure say any woman don't come and come talk say I collect her husband before, or I sleep with her husband before. I am not sure I've been involved in any form of scandal on this internet. No. Maybe after today, my naked picture will begin fly up and down, but I've never seen one. I always dress fully covered from head to toe. Not because I don't have a great skin, but because I don't feel the need to show skin. So why? Why so much hate on somebody? I didn't do nothing to you people. You people have been doing this to me for long. They pursued me come out for industry thinking say my life go end, but that was when my life started. Because when that whole suspension happened, the following year I built a house for my mom. God rest her soul. She didn't even wait to, even get into the house. I've been doing so well for myself. A lot of things have been happening in my life that most of which I don't even post online. But you people will not leave me alone. And I pray for that person today. You see these tears that is coming out from my eyes? You will cry double. Let me continue towards the end of that video. Advert with you, I asked somebody and the person said no, she does not like you. Why? What did I do to these people? Why are they trying to take food from my mouth?
And ask me where this person is today. Her business is crumbled today.
That is what will happen to them.
Yeah,
because by the time you take out your time and try to tidy somebody image that have not done anything wrong with you, you will never prosper. That's it.
Never. That is what I tell them.
You will never.